This Coldwell Banker Pacific Properties Waikele property video is presented by Rhonda Day. Excellent location near the University of Hawaii Business School, downtown, Waikiki, Manoa Valley, and Diamond Head. Convenient to freeway access and bus routes. Remodeled large residence with very flexible floor plan reminiscent of grand sorority or fraternity homes, multi-generational living, could be used as a duplex. Units A and B have their own water and electric meters. Substantially remodeled in 1993 and upgraded throughout the years. The front home 6 bedrooms 4.5 baths, front-loading LG washer/dryers, large solar water heater and auxiliary water heater, LED lighting, exercise room, a massive master bedroom with den/nursery and kitchenette possibilities. Enjoy views of fireworks above Waikiki from your partially enclosed, covered porch downstairs and upstairs bedroom. For more